morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Black. Today is Thursday, April 9th. And there's something very interesting about April 9th. It is the last day of the week for school because you have a holiday coming up. Some of you will be celebrating Friday, and you have the long weekend, and then you also have Monday off. But let's get started with today's work. 6-year-olds, you have been heavily involved in poetry. You have been talking about the following items: rhyme, rhythm, repetition, alliteration, and onomatopoeia. So you today will be working on learning about alliteration, and then you will be working in your math books from pages 433 to 436, and then your skinny book 203 to 206. And 7-year-olds, you are going to be working with a A to Z story. Then you're going to be doing some spelling word sentences. You have your spelling test today. You also have a Gabriella quiz. And then for math, you'll be sorting two-dimensional shapes. I do want to thank you guys for your hard work on A to Z. You guys are doing an incredible job. Since you have the long weekend, please enjoy sleeping in, listening to music, reading a book, playing a game with your family, and we will be back with you on Tuesday. So everyone, have a great extended long weekend. Bye.